Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make 4 easy Halloween room decoration ideas. Now let's get on with the video. The first DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this ribbon wall hanging. You want to start off by cutting some pieces of ribbon at any length, and as many as you want. You can use 1 or more colors of ribbon, and make sure they're long enough to be folded in half. Once you got all of your ribbon cut, you want to lay out all of your ribbon so you'll have an idea of how you want your wall hanging to look like. Then you can fold a piece of ribbon in half. And then you can place it under a wooden dowel. Then you can pull the 2 ends of the ribbon through the loop and tighten it. You want to follow these steps until you have enough ribbon on the wooden dowel. After you're done putting all of the ribbon on, you want to tie a piece of twine onto both ends of the wooden dowel so you can hang it onto a wall. When you're done tying the twine on, you can hang it onto the wall and trim the ribbon. You can leave it like this, or you can take some fake spiders and lay them out where you would like them to be. Then you can tie a piece of string for each spider onto the wooden dowel. Then you can glue the spiders onto the strings, and make sure you stretch the strings so you make sure the spiders are in the right place. And if you need to, you can trim the string that the spiders are attached to. You can also glue a spider onto the wooden dowel. The last thing you can do is that you can trim off any excess twine and string. Once you're done, you can hang this anywhere you would like. The second DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this pumpkin. You're going to need a wooden pumpkin like this one, or one of a different color, or you can just make one yourself. I got mine at Family Dollar. What you want to do is that you want to flip it over to the back and peel off the stickers. Then you want to carefully peel off the bow from the glue, and do not peel off the glue, it will take the paint off. Once you got the bow off, you want to draw a jack-o'-lantern face on the pumpkin with a pencil. And you can use a ruler to help find the middle, or you can use it to measure the face. Then you can paint the face in, and you want to wait for it to dry before going on to the next step. Once the paint is dry, you can take what was used for the bow from earlier and tie it onto the stem into a bow. If you don't want to use what was used on the pumpkin, you can use something else. You can also carefully turn the bow to the other side so you can use that side instead. When you're done tying on the bow, you're all done. The next DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this vase with lights and ornaments. What you're going to need for this DIY is ornaments, battery-powered string lights, and a vase. All you have to do is that you want to start putting the string lights in, and you can put the ornaments in as you put the string lights in. Once you're done, you can hide the battery behind the vase, and you can place the vase anywhere you would like. The last DIY I'm going to show you how to make is this flower pumpkin. For this DIY, you're going to need a ceramic pumpkin with any design on it from Dollar Tree. And you're also going to need flowers, which can come from anywhere. My flowers came from Michael's a few years ago. What you want to do is that you want to pull off the flowers. Then you can glue on the flowers with hot glue. You may need to hold the flowers there for a few seconds so they stay put. I only put 3 flowers onto the pumpkin, but you could add more if your flowers are smaller. When you get all the flowers onto your pumpkin, you're all done. And that's how you make all of these Halloween room decoration ideas. In the comments down below, let me know which DIY is your favorite, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!